Now, let's begin. Number 1. Special attention. Does she pay more attention to you than anyone else in the room? All right, let's say you're standing in a room full of people talking to a beautiful woman. Her friends are waiting in the corner. Other men are looking her way and trying to get her attention, yet she's standing by your side, concentrating all her attention on you. Why? Well, because she's highly attracted to you. Instead of investing time or effort in anyone else, she is laser focused on you. She's asking you questions, she's listening to your stories, and she's sitting by your side because she finds you interesting and highly attractive. Number 2. The meaning of preening. Around the most attractive people, many of us become hyper-aware of our appearance. You may focus on your faults, you may fidget with your clothes, and you may nervously adjust your appearance, hoping that the other person likes what they see. This nervous behavior is called preening, and it's one of the most common signs that a woman is highly attracted to you. She may fiddle with her earrings, twirl her hair, or touch up her makeup. In either case, she's improving her appearance because she wants to look her best. In all likelihood, she feels nervous or a little insecure around you. She worries about how she looks and makes adjustments to her appearance because she finds you irresistible. Number 3. Secret subtext. Interpreting text messages is challenging in the early stages of any relationship. It isn't easy to understand someone's emotions or tone over text. So many people misinterpret harmless messages as signs of romantic interest. Most of the time, text messages are not worth overthinking. Don't invest too much time or energy into the subtext of a straightforward message. Most of the time, a text means precisely what it means. However, you can draw a couple of interesting conclusions from the timing of a text message. For example, does she take hours to write something brief and lighthearted? Do you often see her typing and deleting messages, causing those 3 tiny dots to appear and disappear repeatedly? If you answered yes to either of these questions, then she might be highly attracted to you. She's spending ample time on her messages because she wants them to be perfect. The content of her messages may be insignificant, but the feelings behind her words are stronger than you realize. Number 4. Positive posturing. When a woman's attracted to you, her body language is often friendly, cheerful, and accommodating. For example, instead of crossing her arms over her chest, she may open her arms and palms, giving her posture a more welcoming appearance. She may also demonstrate open body language by mirroring your movements or turning her body toward you. Both pieces of body language communicate interest, attention, and emotional investment. Each signal is small and subtle, but several of these cues in tandem can be a reliable sign of romantic attraction. Number 5. Feelings in disguise. Does she text you for the most insignificant reasons? Perhaps she sends you a text every time she sees something that reminds her of you. Or maybe she messages you with random questions or miscellaneous information. In other words, she's searching for reasons to interact with you. Chances are that she's thinking about you at all hours of the day. She sees you everywhere she goes and constantly wonders what you're doing. If she messages you about anything and everything, there's only one thing you need to know: that you're always on her mind because this person finds you irresistible. Number 6. The laughter experiment. Laughter is a common and reliable sign of real romantic attraction, especially if you're not that funny. Try this the next time you're wondering whether a girl finds you attractive. Make a joke that you know isn't very good. Say something cheesy or goofy and then watch how she reacts. If she giggles or laughs, well, there's a good chance she finds you attractive. Why? Well, because some women use laughter to communicate their feelings. It doesn't matter if you say something funny or not. She isn't laughing because you're a talented comedian. She's laughing because she likes you, appreciates you, and she feels happy whenever you're around. Number 7. The subconscious touch. Not every gesture is intentional or calculated. When flirting with someone they like, many women demonstrate interest and attraction using this one subconscious gesture. She may not realize it's happening, but this signal is strong evidence that she finds you highly attractive. Alright, let's say you make a joke that makes her laugh. As she's laughing, she may subconsciously reach out her hand and touch you on the arm or leg. This meaningful gesture often demonstrates how she feels about you below the surface. Under normal circumstances, she may be too nervous or cautious to initiate physical contact. But when she gives in to the moment, her instinct is to reach out and touch you. Number 8. Electric emotions. How do you feel when you meet an attractive person? Most people feel some combination of nervousness, happiness, and excitement. If a woman finds you attractive, she may be feeling the same overwhelming emotions which inevitably influence her behavior. For example, as you approach and make eye contact with a woman you like, watch how she preps herself or changes her appearance. Does she look at you and smile? Does she preen her clothes and hair? Does she become self-conscious of where she's sitting or standing? If you notice any of these behaviors, be confident this woman is excited to talk to you. She smiles, changes her posture, and frantically adjusts her appearance because talking to you makes her heart flutter. Number 9. Expressions of gratitude. If a woman's attracted to you and enjoys your company, she might thank you for spending time with her. It may sound strange at the moment since you feel lucky to even be there, but if a woman expresses gratitude for the time you spend together, well, there's a good chance she feels as lucky as you do. In other words, she appreciates the time that you're investing and the effort you're making. She wants you to know that she sees and values you because you make her feel the same way. Number 10. Involuntary attraction. Blushing is an involuntary physical response usually caused by something nerve-wracking or embarrassing. Blushing is sometimes associated with emotional stress or shyness, but it's most often a sign of romantic attraction, especially when paired with positive body language. For example, let's say you give a woman a compliment. If she finds you attractive, she may blush, smile, and cover her face with her hand. This meaningful combination signals romantic interest, nervousness, and excitement all at the same time. In short, rosy cheeks and a coy smile show you exactly how she feels. Number 11. The head tilt. Have you ever noticed that she tilts her head as you talk? Tilting your head is a subconscious sign of interest and attraction. When a woman is listening to you, she subtly tilts her head to the side to show that she's attentive and engaged. She's not only listening to what you're saying, but she truly cares about the content. Why? Well, because she has a deep interest in you as a person and a potential partner. She wants to get to know you. She wants to listen to your stories. If a woman tilts her head when you talk, she's not just tolerating you, she really cares. Number 12. A change in style. Sometimes women dress differently around the people they like. She may not usually care about what others think about her style. Most days, she dresses in a way that's comfortable and casual. But around you, she wants to leave a different impression. She may put extra effort into her hair or her makeup. She may think hard about what clothes to wear or what styles you might like. In other words, she changes her style because she wants to look and feel her best. If a woman starts dressing up around you, she may be trying to get your attention. Number 13. Relationship potential. In the early stages of any relationship, you spend a lot of time getting to know each other. You tell stories and share personal details, and if you like each other, you also commit those stories and details to memory. You want to retain that personal information because you see potential in the relationship down the road. If a woman finds you attractive, she'll remember information about you. She'll actively listen to your stories and recall details about your life later. You may think it's just a coincidence, but if a woman makes an effort to learn about you, she may see you as a potential partner.